Welcome back to Trade Pro FX. Today is another amazing video, and today I'm going to talk about the under digit 6 using the same strategy that I shown on while trading the over digit 3. Maybe I will specify and repeat what was I meaning. So when trading under digit 6, we mean that you have only 60% of the win rate, and that means that the digits that should appear and should be a win are from digit 0 to 5, and then what should be a loss is the digit 7 and 8 and 9. So I was talking about the relationship between the chart's candlestick and the market which you are trading, and I said that when we come to the digit sniper analysis or any analysis tool that you see on the internet, it doesn't guarantee you, especially because it does the analysis concerning on the number of ticks and based on the patterns that are exactly what is happening on the into the market. But looking, like you can see there, I've made some very good moves from around 49 to 53, and then what am I using to scope such kind of wins? I'm using the candlestick relationship with the digits. Those people who claim that there is no relationship, that's why I want you to go guys, try the under digit, the over digit 3 I showed you on the past video, and then try also this under digit 6. One reason I want you to focus on those two is because of the payout. The payout of under digit 6 and over digit 3 is better considered than trading over 2 or over 1 or over 0 or under digit 9, under digit 7 or under digit 8, but for 6 is better. So you can see, let me just fetch the chart that I'm using to make the right decisions and how I'm getting to decide whether to enter. One, I'm also considering the digit sniper analysis on this side, and anytime I am trading perfectly if it is above 70% and above. And what is giving me the courage to enter is the chart candlesticks. So the chart candlesticks I'm talking about is a green candlesticks or bullish momentum candlestick. So if and whenever you see a green candlestick, that is a price, that means that the price is rising. That means that price is rising and is on a very good bullish pressure. So one, I talked about how to set the EMAs or the moving average triple, which are EMA 10, EMA 40, and EMA 50. So those are the three EMAs. If to identify a strong sign of a trend continuation on the upward direction means that the EMA 10 is, or the EMA 10, 40, and 50, all the candlesticks forming are above the the EMAs are below the candlesticks. So that means that the candlesticks are above, like this chart here. Let me just explain as let's talk when using the chart as when it is here, because it was on another tab. So let's proceed. You can see the chart here. So the EMAs I'm talking about are these ones. So you can see we have a very good upward momentum. That those are bullish candlesticks only. So this is a chance for entering under digit 6. Well, now you can see the rise in the RSI, that is the relative strength index, shows a very good upward trend, and then the green candlesticks forming. You don't enter the market when it is red color. I told you when it is on red color, that's the bearish candlestick, enter over 3, but consider the triple moving average above now. So the candlestick should be below, and then the RSI also, I also talked about how it should be. So considering that all of them are showing upward, that's why we are considering under digit 6, and that's because of the market consistent behavior. So there is a very big relationship. Let's target 80 USD from the profit that we had. We started with a capital of 40, so we will target 80. That's 40 USD. So Just observe, and I want you to go, guys, and try this one. This set your EMAs as I've shown you the RSI. Then consider entering the market when the candlesticks are behaving just similarly to what I'm trading, and you will see a very big difference with trading those big better payouts. That is the better payout. And remember, you must have a recovery. That is the martingale, so that anytime you want to reach to the climax, the target profit you want, it is always easy. And why not rely much on the analysis alone? I've talked about it. It normally calculates probabilities based on the historical ticks and shows the different frequencies of the digits you have put there. So the momentum maybe can differ based on maybe the shape on the shape on the position, but based on the candlestick now, as you can see, let's return to volatility 50. We were trading on volatility 50, this one which has a very good trend upwards. So this, you consider it when making observations, and when you see such kind of a momentum with green candlesticks, you trade under. When you see the opposite, that is what I illustrated before in the video, the previous video I showed the over digit 3. So I want you guys to go put all your trading tabs like this. If you are using a mobile phone, we have the screen tab. You can use the split screen, so you can just analyze. Not necessarily use the analysis tool as it is. Just consider now the candlesticks itself with the digits being produced. But it is better, you can see I'm considering everything. I'm considering also the digit analysis to trade wherever the market is in between the 70th part to 80 part. So if the market is around that point, I have no issue, because if you observe, mostly the over part is almost 35 plus and above, and it is not getting out of that point. So we are trading over 3 and under 6. So at least you can see the we are always every time hitting the take profit, and that is why we are closer to the 80 mark. That is the 80 mark, and that's where we will stop. That's doubling the same account that we had. So consider using this strategy, and I want you to comment below whenever it works for you. If it doesn't work for you, you can try the over 2 and under 8 that I've demonstrated before. And for you to understand, you first know the trend, whether it is strong. So you need to be cautious and use only one tick, so that it enables for the next tick to recover. Don't use very many number of ticks, so that in case of a loss, it will able to recover and you will continue in a good momentum. So the trend, as I've said, green candlesticks above EMA, trade under digit 6. If red candlesticks are below EMAs, both the 10, 40 and 50, trade over 3, but consider also the guide that it's on the derivative sniper analysis. Then use a martingale in case of any move that you want to make. As you can see, anytime I'm just running the bot, you can see we are almost only have, we want only 1 USD, and we call it a day. And you can see you can double your account without any pressure by just following those things. So go try it on your demo accounts. I want you to go try it on your demo accounts on different markets, so that you can get the best market for you, because it doesn't necessarily work for the over 3. Mostly it operates on the volatility 101s, and that one for the duration candlestick interval doesn't matter. But this one, if you look carefully, I'm using the 5-minute as the analysis, and also while trading, the candlestick interval is at 5 candlestick minute. So for this one, for the under digit 6, you must be careful while making sure everything you are doing is the same. So whatever you are analyzing is what you are trading. But for over digit 3, that one you can use for the 5 minutes or still use 1 minute candlestick interval. It doesn't have that much gap, but consider also the same idea that I've shown. At least I've been clear on this part. So that is how you trade under digit 6 and over digit 3 from the previous video. So let's meet in the next video. Kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel. Share, like, and comment any questions that you want me to be looking upon. So just comment below and I will be responding. So with those few remarks, let's meet in the next video. And if you want any third-party website, just consider inboxing and DM. We can conclude and talk and see how I can help you. And with those few remarks, bye bye. Trade Pro FX here. Let's meet in the next video. Consider subscribing, sharing, and liking, and also commenting. And let's meet. Bye bye.